Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see that someone unfollow you on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and click on your forward list. So let me open any random person. So let me select this person. So as you can see that let me select another person. So as you can see that this person follow me, so here on the top you will see an option of follow back button. But if a person do not follow me, there is no follow back button. So as you can see that this is the person and I am follow him. Let me unfollow, and as you can see that there is no follow button here. So this is a simple process by which you can see that who unfollow you on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.